Tick-tock. That's the sound of your social media efforts slowly becoming irrelevant. When it comes to social, marketers have to be on their A game, and things are changing very quickly. So what do brands like Wendy's, Taco Bell, or Bebo have in common? Well, aside from the munchies, they all have a killer organic social media presence. In just 8 easy lessons, I'll show you what it takes to create shareable social content for your audience. We'll help you answer questions like, what the heck's a TikTok? And who the hell are you? I'm Stephanie, by the way, your instructor. But we'll also answer questions like, how do I create engaging content across my channels? How do I increase my organic engagements and followers? What are some of the best practices on each platform, including Instagram, Reddit, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more? And what are some bad practices to avoid? So let's get started.